In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to gather responses for a survey, organize quiz answers, or simply collect data efficiently, a Google form is an incredibly versatile tool. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. If you're not already familiar, Google Drive is where you can access all of your Google documents, spreadsheets, and of course, forms. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the New button, which is generally located at the upper left corner. Give that a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu you have several options, but for our purpose you're going to select Google Forms. If it doesn't appear immediately, hover over More to expand additional options. Once you've clicked on Google Forms, you'll be presented with a choice of starting with a blank form, a quiz, or from a template. If you're new to this, a blank form is usually the best starting point as it provides a clean slate. Go ahead and click on blank form. Now it's time to name your form. Simply click on the title field, which often has untitled form pre-filled, and type in the name that best describes what your form is about. This could be anything from event registration to feedback survey. Next, let's add some questions. On the right side, you'll notice a toolbar to add new elements. Click the plus sign to add a question. You will have various options for the question type, like multiple choice, checkboxes, or a drop down. Simply click on the add question icon and choose the type of response you want to collect. To make a question required, ensuring respondents must provide an answer, click on the toggle for required at the bottom right of the question box. This way your data collection will be comprehensive, leaving no unanswered questions. For those interested in personalizing their form, head over to the Customize Theme section. Here you can change the look of your form by altering the color scheme, choosing a font that suits your style, or even adding a background image to make it visually appealing. Once you've set up your form exactly how you'd like it, the final step is to click Publish. This will generate a link that you can easily share with respondents via email or embed in a web page. And there you have it, a Google form ready to be filled out, saving you both time and effort. Remember, you can use Google Forms for everything from simple surveys to more complex data collection tasks. Feel free to explore its features and get creative with your designs. Happy form building!